In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the symmetrical ruler in Clip Studio Paint. If you've ever wanted perfectly mirrored drawings, whether it's a character's face, a logo, or a mandala, this tool will save you tons of time and give you clean, balanced results. I'll walk you through setting it up, placing your symmetry axis, and drawing with confidence, plus a few helpful tips to make it feel natural. First, head to the tool palette and select the ruler tool. This is the tool that lets you create guides the canvas can snap to. Once the ruler tool is active, look to the subtool palette and choose symmetrical ruler. This specific ruler creates a mirror line, so anything you draw on one side is automatically reflected to the other. If you're new to it, the name is exactly what it sounds like. It sets up symmetry, so you focus on drawing, not duplicating. Next, place your axis of symmetry on the canvas, click and drag to drop the ruler line where you want the mirror to happen. Think of this line as the hinge your drawing swings around. You can drag vertically for a classic left-right mirror, horizontally for top-bottom designs, or at an angle if your composition calls for it. If you want a perfectly straight line, hold shift while you drag. Positioning matters. Place the line through the center of the shape or character you want mirrored. Now start drawing with your favorite brush. Any strokes you make will automatically mirror across that axis. You'll see both sides update in real time, which is great for checking proportions and adjusting details on the fly. You can sketch loosely to block in forms or switch to an inking brush for final lines. Either way, the ruler handles the symmetry, so you don't have to. If your marks feel too snappy, try lighter pressure or slower strokes so the mirror effect looks smooth and intentional. You can also set how many symmetry lines you want. 2 lines give you a standard left-right mirror. Increase the number for radial symmetry. Perfect for snowflakes, gears, floral patterns, and mandalas. Adjusting the count creates evenly spaced mirror planes around a center point, so every stroke repeats around the circle. Once you've dialed in the number of lines, keep drawing. The ruler applies the symmetry everywhere it's visible, and your design stays uniform and